Hi Tracy, I really like how you put the gradient circle around these buttons. It goes really well with the rest of your piece. Excellent. All right, so nice. I like that you're including the sketches. I recommend doing that for as much as possible. All right, so my main suggestion, let me go home. This click on your logo should take you home. That's generally what people do. Um, So this looks really nice together. You've got the cool black and white photo with the powerful animal and the quirky pineapple, and you look professional. I like the sans serif. I see a widow here, which as somebody who's good at typography, you should not have on your site. Um, but then I see a serif, small serif down here. Be consistent with the sans serif, because if you see it creep in here and there, it's going to make your site look disjointed. And it's also going to look like you used a template and forgot to change everything, which, is what most people do nowadays, but you want to be thorough with it. Okay, so I really liked your interface. I did think it was a little high to the top. Wait a second. Let me talk about the important stuff first. All right, so I thought this was a little high. I might move it down like an inch so that there's plenty of white space all around it. But the gradient from your logo and these buttons is a wonderful touch. So I'm seeing a serif here with your sans serif. I would just encourage you to be consistent across the board. Use the serif or the sans serif. Typically they don't pair together well. This is beautiful though. And I like how you have the template piece down at the bottom so the viewer can see what it would look like in a publication. I like that you're not making the template the highlight. All right, so the other thing I wanted to mention is I don't think you need this business right here. It's distracting. It's taking away from the hierarchy of your logo and your name. And at one point you had work in orange, maybe at the very beginning. Let's see, work. Yeah, this is, so as long as the viewer is on the portfolio page, you might as well leave all of those pages orange with the word work. That way you don't need this business on the side. So basically what I'm trying to say is you don't want too many different things. All right, this is bold, that's one thing. Sideways, another thing. Underlined, another thing. You don't even need it, just delete it. And all you need is just to keep anything that's in the portfolio section orange, like this word work. That's what I mean by that. Not everything, but just the word work. And then about. Good, you got that orange. So if I were to go down in here, nothing about that should change. But again, this is serif, this is sans serif. You need to obviously go in there and work that out. Great photo. It's exactly the kind of photo you want to put on your resume or any kind of documentation that has images of you on it, because that says to me you're creative, you're fun, you love life, you're trustworthy. You're just somebody I wouldn't mind working with. All right, and then again, this looks like a different font. So just keep it simple, keep it consistent, go in, fine tune it. You're getting there. It's looking good. Let me know if you have any questions.